Okay, building with Papa. This is the 7,000 square foot build out. In this video, I'm going to show you our electrical wall roof. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to take you to the dump. We're going to do our first dump run. All right, I hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Okay, this is our electrical plan. This is going to show us where all our switches and outlets are going to be going on the walls. This is showing everything going to our AC units, all the air conditioning units. And then here's our electrical service. Okay, this is part of the electrical plan. It's the life safety plan. It's going to show us where all the emergency lights will go and how they're going to shine if and in case there is an emergency and the lights go out. These will automatically come on so you can exit safely. And this is our ceiling plan, showing us where all those lights are going to be going and how they're going to be switched. Showing you our panels. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, well, here are the lights. We purchased them knowing we were going through this problem with China with the coronavirus. We went ahead and purchased them early. All right, the electrician is getting ready to start. He's doing his layout, and we started running the electrical boxes. He put them on the studs in the locations that we had on the plans. Then he had to run them on the exterior walls, and we have concrete, so we had to cut into the walls a little bit. We start our boxes and running our MC cable to each one of the boxes. Here are the main panels. They haven't been installed yet, but we're going to be getting to that. All right, here's the pipe that goes to the main panel. They set the main panels. Now they're running the pipe up the wall and across the ceiling. This is going to be going to all the lighting, our air conditioners, which are our air handlers that are inside, and then up to the roof for our compressors. Now we have to be careful because we have a lot of things going in the ceiling. So we had to bring this pipe in and we had to bend it down so that we could stay underneath the beam and bring it over to the area where we're going to take it up to the roof. Okay, we had to run it with LBs at the end so that when we bring the wire up, we'll be able to take it all the way to the roof. Here's our panel. Those holes you see there, they're going into the service. All right, the MC cable is being run from box to box for our outlets, and then from a box up to a switch. And again, there's our main panel, and you'll see they marking which units they're going to, where they're running the wires to the units. All right. So as you can see, they started running the wire over to the air handlers at this point. We don't have the units on the roof yet. So the pipes go up across the ceiling. Then they come back down, stay at a certain elevation for us to be able to get underneath the beam. We go over to the section that's going up to the roof. Okay, now we've run the pipe here to the end, putting the LBs on, and then we're going to run the pipe up to the roof through this channel. Okay, the pipe is now run. It is up there. We're waiting on the compressors to come to tie them in. So in the meantime, now we're running the wire from box to box. You can see going up from the switch up to the box in the ceiling where the lights are going to be. Now here's where we're tying in the air conditioners. That's a disconnect there, and it runs over to the air conditioner so that when you're going to work on the air conditioner, you can shut the power off right near it and then be able to do your work. We had to have a disconnect at each air handler. There's 6 air handlers in this building. They did a really nice job. These are boxes in the ceiling with the whips that are just coiled up at this point. And they're waiting for the ceiling to go in so they can drop the lights in and then tie them in together. Well, this is the main service. This is for the back of the panel that you just saw, running into the stairwell and then going outside to where our meter is going to be. We're going to tie this in. All right, well, that's our wall rough. We have a lot more electrical to go. And you know what? Our dumpster's full. We're going to go ahead and take it to the dump. All right, let's go on a ride. We're going to do that right now. As you can see, we're at the dump today. We've been taking stuff off the site. This is actually our first dump run. And we had cut the holes in the slab, had to remove the slabs to run underground. Run underground plumbing, and we have to get rid of the debris. So I'm here at the dump today, waiting to be able to get in line here to download all this construction debris, which is heavy, so it's not even a full trailer load. But we have to take it. I'm waiting for my crew to be able to come in here. They move this stuff out of the way, and then I'll be in, and I'm going to be dumping gate. I got to back up further. Now we go out to dump. Now we make sure the load all got dumped. Nice clean trailer. Okay, and now we lower it. Okay. Okay, now we've got to close the gate. Lock it up. Okay. We just dumped our first load from this 7,000 square foot build out. We'll have many more to go, but that's our trip to the dump. All right. See you on the next one. Remember, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.